two questions. You have expressed a lot of support for sanctions, yet we see that Iran, which had a large middle class until about 2010, 2012, has seen its economy collapse since the imposition of so-called maximum pressure. This means people are poorer, it's harder for them to come out in the streets. What makes you think more maximum pressure is going to achieve the desired results? And the second...
One question, Robert. One question.
I have to ask about your identification with Israel
one question.
and whether you think that
Robert,
is
one
appropriate.
question, please.
Okay.
One question.
Somebody else.
There's lots of people who want to ask questions. Go ahead.
Well, look, the Iranian people don't blame the West for their poverty. They blame the regime